Hello gems, my name is Bushnell. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stay long enough to subscribe. I talk about femininity, personal development, and mindset. And if you're already part of the tribe, welcome back. Honey, today I am stepping on some toes. I want us to have a little pep talk and learn from the men when it comes to dating. So get something to drink, get something to write with, get comfortable, and let's talk about dating lessons from men. So disclaimer or point to note, before I go to any of the 5 points I want to share, I am talking about the dating lessons. This is the stage where you guys are not yet boyfriend, girlfriend, but you guys have been going on dates. He has other options, you have other options. You must have other options, ladies. At least 3. You cannot have one. You will get attached and you'll waste your time. Have options, So this is the dating phase where you guys are not solid. Both of you are allowed to go out with other people. And now that being said, point number 1, men do not get emotionally involved in the dating phase, that is. So they mostly don't get have feelings or even emotions towards a girl. They're just there. They just like what they see. They're there for the vibes. And let me tell you one thing, all men who approach you most definitely wanna smash, okay? They wanna smash, and they're gonna try and find, can I get this the easy way? That's the aim. If they can get it, and sometimes they end up falling in love. That wasn't the target. The target was to smash. Men think about smashing a lot. I know there's a number. I'll Google it and maybe put it in the description box. But onwards, moving forward, their feelings come up until they find they for sure love that girl. And if you've read Men Are From Mars, Women Are From Venus, you'll know the thing is, sometimes when a man knows that they're actually getting emotionally involved with a girl, they move away from that girl. They retreat, they push back, because they're trying to analyze, oh my goodness, am I falling in love? What's happening? And they're trying to fight it off, because this is not something men do often. So men, what's our lesson there? Keep your emotions at a distance until you know for sure that this is somebody who is ready to invest in you, and you're also ready to invest in them, and you're okay with the possibility of long term. Remember, as Christian women, we date for marriage. So if this person is not working out, just don't get emotionally involved. The second thing is, men do not dwell in the small stuff. Ladies, yeah, we do that a lot. So then they do not sit down and overanalyze details, that when she said fine, she did not really mean fine, she meant X, Y, and Z. Or they don't. I have heard a lot of men say this, we do not read brains, we do not know what's in your mind, you have to tell us, But women, we sit down, overanalyze. When he looked at me this way, it meant this. When he texted at this time, it meant this. So what do we learn there? Do not give bananas, because these guys do not overanalyze those things, especially in the dating phase. Do what they do. Relax, darling. The third thing is, men do not try to fix a woman. Ooh, I stepped on more toes. So women do this even sometimes and subconsciously, without knowing. They see this guy has potential. Oh my goodness, that word potential. I have a problem with that word, because men don't go for women who have potential. They go for a woman who's above them. They go for a trophy girl, They don't have time to say, I can fix this girl, unless it is an old man with money who wants a pretty small girl, a pretty young girl. That's the only time the dynamics are like that. But otherwise, they do not try and rescue a girl. But we do that. So stop doing that. Stop trying to rescue a man. Stop trying to turn a man into somebody else. And let me tell you, my Christian women listening, it is only the Holy Spirit who can make an unbeliever become a believer. Stop trying. Stop trying to make an unbeliever become a believer. Stop it. See? It is only the Holy Spirit who can do it. Okay? Yeah, because let me tell you, once he gets to that level of higher status than he is when you found him, in the name of potential, building with a man, Barbara the builder, he will leave you and go for a woman who would have never stooped that low. So do not try to fix men. Number 4, men do not try to rationalize being treated badly. You know, when he says, I'll do X, Y, and Z, and he doesn't do it, and you're like, he's busy. Do you know how busy God is? Do you know how busy God is? He's dealing with people in Europe, he's dealing with people in America, he's dealing with people in Africa, and he has time for you. And you want to tell me a man who is supposed to love a woman the way Christ loves his bride cannot make time for you? Do you know there are CEOs who make time for their sugar babies? And you want to say you're in a full-time relationship and you're going to say he's busy. These are some of the things women do out here. So when men are treated badly, when a woman cheats on a man, these men leave. It hurts them, yes, but they leave and get another woman. Case in point, when Offset found out that Cardi B had allegedly cheated on him, hey, he made noise. And I'm sure it's just because of their divorce dynamics and what he stands to lose if they get divorced. That's the only reason they didn't get a divorce. But he called her out, he cast her out. Oh my goodness. He acted like in a manner that was so like, oh, Jesus Christ. I'm gonna leave it there. So men will not stick around when a woman hurts them. He will not. You know, it will hurt, but I'll be like, okay, to the next one. And another woman, by the way, will be waiting with open arms. The last point is men separate wife from booty call. You know, as women, we try to turn sneaky links into love. You know, you start getting emotionally attached when your sneaky link doesn't call you, when your sneaky link goes out to date another girl, when you're does that sound familiar? So, as women, we tend to get emotionally involved with whoever pays attention to us. Does that sound familiar as well? So, what can we do? Like men, leave those emotions you want to invest in that sneaky link. Leave it for the person who is worth it. For your husband. Men know this kind of energy I will only give to the woman who I'm gonna call my wife. Likewise, do not show your body to your sneaky link. Do not show your body to do not even tell your details to a man. All those details, leave it for your husband. Let them know 1, 2, 3. You know, if you want to create a whole personality and a persona, you know, introduce them to your alter ego until you know you're ready for that man, and this looks like it's going to end up in the altar. Learn from the men, ladies. So those are my tips from dating lessons from men. Let me know which one of them resonates with you and which one also you've been learning so far. I have so much more to share, like Audacity, but this is where my video ends. Till next time. I don't want to you today waste my time. I don't wanna wait till it's all over.